Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable the context menu blur on Telegram web using your PC. This is part of a newer update, and it gives Telegram a smoother, more modern look when you interact with menus. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to Telegram web. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side panel will slide out. From here, find and click on Settings. This is where Telegram lets you customize your experience. Inside Settings, scroll a bit until you see the option called Animations and Performance. Click on it to open more detailed visual settings. Now, look for a section labeled Interface Animations. This is where Telegram controls how things move and appear on your screen. In that section, you'll find an option called Context Menu Blur. Simply toggle it on, and that's it.